Hello friends, my name is Theo, and today in this exciting Meester Media tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to get the look from the new show, AP Bio, which I just started watching. I got 1 minute and 8 seconds into it, and then I realized, oh man, I should make a tutorial on this. Also, someone suggested it, but I saw this and I was like, oh man, because this is a really common look that I will not share any opinions about, but we're going to show how to do it inside of Davinci Resolve. So we get this lovely clip of Amber so that people click on this video, and now we're just going to start going into it. So I'm going to add a serial node right away because we're going to go back later, and I want this one to be node 1 just because OCD. And then we're going to add a quick little 2-strip. So we go over to our RGB mixer. We're going to flip our red and green and our blue and red. You see right now that's not really there, but we're going to go back to our color wheels and flip our hue 180 degrees. And then we've got a 2-strip look. Add another serial node with Alt-S. And we're going to flip our hue until we get our skin about where it should be, which is about right there. You can see right now we're pretty close, and if you're a certain vlog channels, you can just leave it at that. But since this is, a show with an actual budget and a colorist who's probably much better than me, we're gonna go and go ahead and do it the right way. So in this first node, we are going to go to our hue versus hue, and we are going to pin our red channel, and we're just gonna move our green channel way up until we make our trees bluish. And we're gonna hit Shift S to add another node because I didn't plan far enough ahead. And that is a node beforehand. I'm going to click on this node, hit Alt-L to create a layer mixer node. We're going to connect these two up, just like that. And now in this layer mixer node, we're going to get our skin tones to come through. So hit Shift-H to solo it. Go to our key tab. You can see this is a little solo button. Since I don't think my screencast keys are working, select our skin, not that much, right about there. Since we're not changing the luminance on here, we can be pretty messy with our qualification, which is another reason why people like this look. And then you can see our skin is looking pretty nice. And then we're going to hit Alt-L again, and we're going to make our trees look less bad. So select them again, Shift-A, see that. Once again, we're not changing any luminance, so we can be pretty messy with the key. And we're going to also dial it back a little bit. So there, until it starts to blend in with the grid a little better. And there you go. That's the look. A lot of people like it. This is a good one to know because you'll be able to sell it a lot. I've done it occasionally. This skin tone selection is highly recommended, or else you get skin that looks like this, where there's like no real definition going on, especially in the lips. I have one client that always gets mad whenever I do this, and you see there's nothing going on there. So that's one of the reasons why they do this. Also, the fact that there's only 2 colors in the entire thing. But there you go, 3 colors, 2-ish, 3-ish. But now you know how to do this look. Once again, you can get away without doing the parallel mixer stuff. The trees get a little goofy. Layer mixer stuff. You have to delete them to actually preview that. It's a little more surreal that way. This way it's a little more natural. See before and after. See, it makes everything sort of bluish in the background. And you can obviously adjust stuff as much as you want. You can make the trees even bluer. Blend in more. But there you go. That's how you do it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. No matter what, leave your feelings down in the comments below. Be sure to tell me what you want to see next. This is a good little suggestion. I've got this out of the way. I've done a tutorial like this before, but we left out this node and these 2 nodes. So now we've done that. Also, check out meestermedia.com/products. We have all sorts of good stuff. We have some LUTs that will help make the process even easier. Like if we added one of my favorite ones, Cool Shadows 08. That sort of does a little bit what this one does, but in a much subtler way. So you see that makes everything sort of tealy in the background. There's also the Salmon Nero ones in there, which are, surprisingly enough, a lot like this. And then, there's also the House LUTs pack, which you want to just add even more flavor over that. There's other stuff, too. Someone just bought everything on there this morning. So you know who you are. Thanks, bud. I appreciate it. You made my day. Once again, I'm Theo with Meester Media. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.